Hi, Thinkerneters. I'm Tom Knoll, president of CIMI Corporation. Sometimes you get some really interesting tidbits of information from company earnings calls, and Cisco's recent call was one of these examples. And as I'm looking through the what was said on the call, I was astonished at a comment that John Chambers made that essentially seemed to be saying that Cisco was starting to see the network becoming the cloud. Now, of course, he didn't really say it exactly that way, but what he said was that Cisco's seeing that its server products are starting to pull through its network equipment, meaning that people are making decisions on network infrastructure based first on services and then based on the symbiosis between that network infrastructure, servers, and things like that, and network equipment. It's deciding on the equipment that's going to be purchased. And that would be a massive shift in the way that we buy things, and it would also be very evocative about what's likely to be happening with the internet. We certainly seem to be seeing a change in the model of the internet in a lot of ways. One of the things that's true, for example, is that content is concentrating most of the capacity close to the edge in the metro network because most content is delivered out of content delivery networks that have metro caches of information. And if the cloud trend is really developing as everybody says it is, then I think the next logical thing to assume is that more and more of our services, the online stuff that we get and the things that we're interested in doing, are going to be supported out of applications that are run in the cloud and probably run relatively locally to us. Again, that's going to mean a change in the way that we build the underlying network, and it's also going to create a kind of a bipolar arrangement of networking where we have access networks, we have resource networks, which is the cloud, and we have a kind of a thin veneer of IP in between. This could be a very interesting development and one that we all ought to keep an eye on. Thank you. I'm Tom Knoll.